Hey everyone, today we're going to be taking a look at how an AI powered workflow can save our company time doing automated research on a new potential lead. In the case of today, I'll be John Doe reaching out to Ordinal Solutions to book a discovery call to see if AI automation is useful for my business. We have an AI workflow configured to this Calendly form that will save Ordinal Solutions a lot of time in doing the first steps of information gathering for that discovery call. So I'll go ahead and fill out the form as John Doe from Acme Roofing Services. So I'm going to be John Doe. I'll enter my email address. And we'll say I am a project manager. And the name of the company is Acme Roofing Services. And I have the website URL right here. Paste that in. Which category best describes your business? It'll be building and construction. And then we next have a question about what areas of your business process seem to be the bottleneck. So I have one pre-filled out. It essentially says that we have sales rep out in the field doing inspections with tablets, but when they get back to the office, they have to handwrite or retype the project details into a spreadsheet, or worse, they take photos on their phone and have to email it to the office manager in order to organize it. So what service are we most interested in here? We're going to say AI and automation tooling. So what I'll go ahead and do is I'm going to book this discovery call with Ordinal Solutions. So now at this step for Ordinal Solutions, they might get the information entered into a CRM, or they might get it added to a spreadsheet. One of their employees would go find out the new lead, do some manual research, find out who Acme Roofing Services is, see what their complaint was, look at a document to see, okay, how can we address their complaints? But what we've done with this step is that we've hooked this up to an AI automated workflow. So what's going to happen in the background is that the initial research for the discovery call is actually going to be handled by AI, and a document is handled and generated in order to speed up and save the amount of time needed to conduct that research. So in the meantime, while this was running, I've got an email here on my phone saying that from Acme Roofing Services, the discovery call research, and we have a document which we'll take a look at now. Okay, we have the email pulled up, and the message says, hello, below is your briefing for the discovery call with John Doe from Acme Roofing Services. So if I click this link, we get into a new Google Doc that has some basic research done entirely by AI in a formatted document that is now live. So not only is this able to be edited by other members of your team, but this is a living document. So we can make edits to this. We can share it, convert it to a PDF, send it out, make notes. But what it has done is it has saved potentially hours for the Ordinal Solutions team from doing that initial discovery research. So if we look through some of the fields here, we have what the stated bottleneck was from the forum. We have a AI generated based on what has been entered in, what area that we are focusing in. We also have a business intelligence report that did a little bit of background on who Acme Roofing Services was. We have an aha moment saying it pinpointed what exactly they were looking for as far as AI and automation. So in this case, we're going to be replacing manual data entry from field inspections into spreadsheets and implement a system with automation that'll handle that automatically. We also have a potential tech stack that has been generated. So Zapier, Airtable, and OpenAI API, which is all tooling that Ordinal Solutions uses. We also have a quick discovery script. So how much time does your team currently spend manually transcribing inspection notes and photos after each visit? What errors or delays have you experienced due to manual data entry? How would faster, more accurate data processing impact your project turnaround times and customer satisfaction? So this is a baseline question to going into the discovery call that the employee of Ordinal Solutions did not have to come up with on their own. And it's been tailored to this new potential client. And then finally, we have a risk assessment here saying that the biggest hurdle may be resistance from the staff who are accustomed to that process, concerns over data accuracy, and how complex integration may be. So ensuring proper training and demonstrating the ROI will be key to selling the automation services to Acme Roofing Solutions. So this is just an example of how AI workflows could potentially save your company numerous hours doing a simple task like basic research. So that wraps it up for today's demo. It's just a quick, simple AI workflow that could potentially save your company numerous hours of time. Thank y'all for watching, and I hope to see you on the next one.